We'll start with exercise 8.1. Already I have given the introduction for exercise 8.1. So the first question is, in triangle ABC, a right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A, sin C cos C. See, there is a right angle triangle ABC. Fine, it is right angled at B and this is AC. Fine. And they have given AB is equal to 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. We need to find sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Before that, before we find, we need to know hypotenuse. So to find the hypotenuse, solution. So AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then AC is equal to what? AC is equal to what we can write? We can make use of Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? That is 24 square. What is BC square? That is 7 square, which is equal to, what is 24 square? Is nothing but 576. 7 square is nothing but 49. Fine. 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9, 15, carry 1, 5 plus 7, 12, carry 1, that is 6 root of 625, which is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is 25 centimeter. So, students, you should know the squares till 30, it will be easy for your calculations. See, even in a mensuration, if you know the squares and all, your calculation will become easier. So even you can score it. So you want to score better and to simplify your calculation, you should know the squares till 30, cubes at least till 25. Next. So we got to know what is hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Now, first one, sin A is equal to, what is sin A? Sin A, this is sin A, opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, which is equal to, what is BC? 7 divided by 25. What is cos A? Cos A is equal to, where is cos A? Cos A, adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. What is AB? AB is 24 divided by 25. Next, in case of second mean, sin C cos C. Second sub question, sin C is equal to, where is C? Sin C means opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, which is equal to 24 divided by 25. Next, cos C. Cos C is equal to, where is C? C, adjacent by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, which is equal to 7 divided by 25. Please note this down. Second question, in figure, find tan P minus cot R. You see, there is a triangle PQR, they have given the diagram, you need not to draw. So it is, see, this indicates it is right angled at Q, this will be the hypotenuse. Now, what they asked, we need to find tan P and minus cot R, tan P minus cot R. See, what we need to do, we need to find QR first, then we can go ahead with the other things. So it is given PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Obviously QR will be less than this. So QR is equal to square root of, so PR hypotenuse square, that is PR square minus PQ square, which is 13 square minus 12 square. So which is 169 minus 144, which is equal to square root of 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5, 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 5 centimeter. Fine, we have got this QR. Now, what we need? Tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. What is tan P? Where is P? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is QR divided by adjacent is nothing but PQ minus, that is tan P. cot R. Where is cot R? This is. Again this is adjacent by, see, cot R is nothing but adjacent by opposite. That is QR divided by PQ. Wait. We wanted tan P, opposite by adjacent, correct. We needed cot R, adjacent by, say cot R is nothing but, see, adjacent is 5 by 12, that is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is nothing but 0. So this is the answer. Please note this down. So third question, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So sin A, see, if it is a triangle ABC, if it is a triangle ABC, BC, if it is 90 degree, A is given, sin A is nothing but opposite, that is 3 divided by 4. Okay, what they asked us to calculate? Cos A and tan A. Now, without the diagram also you can calculate, how you can see. Now, given sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, which is equal to 3 by 4. We need AB. AB is equal to square root of AC square minus BC square, that is 4 square minus 3 square, which is equal to root of 16 minus 9, which is equal to root of C. 4 square is nothing but 16, 3 square is nothing but 9. 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7, that is root 7 centimeter. Fine. Now this is root 7. Now what we need? Cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Adjacent is AB by AC. Hypotenuse is AC. What is AB? AB is root 7 divided by 4. Next, tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. You should know these ratios. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? BC. What is adjacent? AB. See, for A, this is opposite, this will be adjacent. According to that, we have written. So, what is BC? BC is 3. What is AB? Root 7. So, this is the required answer. Please note this down. So next, fourth question, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. Now, what is given to us? 15 cot A is equal to 8, or else cot A is equal to 8 divided by 15. So, which is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. So, if you take a right angle triangle ABC, if this is angle A, if this is 90 degree, this will be the hypotenuse, adjacent for A, and this will be opposite for A. So now, what is adjacent? Adjacent is BC, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Opposite is nothing but, sorry. For A, which is adjacent? Adjacent is this AB for A. See, cot A is given. For A, which is adjacent, this is 8 centimeter, and opposite is 15 centimeter. Opposite is 15 centimeter. Now, what we need to calculate? Sin A. So, sin A is equal to, so before we find sin A, we need hypotenuse. That is, AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. What is AB? AB is nothing but 8 square plus BC is nothing but 15 square. What is 8 square? 64. What is 15 square? 225. Fine. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. This is 289, which is nothing but 17 centimeter. Square root of 17 square is 289. So that is 17 centimeter. Now, what we need, sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC. What is BC? BC is nothing but 15. What is AC? That is 17. Next, secant A. Secant A is nothing but, so inverse of cos A. Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, but secant A, hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by AB, which is equal to AC is 17 divided by 8. So this is the required answer. Please note this down. Next, fifth question. Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. See, what is given to us? Secant theta is equal to 13 divided by 12. So what we have? There is a triangle. So right angle triangle ABC. If I define it as theta, so secant theta is nothing but, according to this, hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC divided by AB. So what is AC? AC is 13 centimeter, and so 13, just I'll write 13. What is AB? AB is 12. I need to know BC so that I can write all the trigonometric functions, all the 6 trigonometric functions. So BC is equal to square root of AC square minus AB square, according to the Pythagoras theorem. So 13 square minus 12 square. So 13 square is nothing but 169, 144. Already we calculated this. 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 25. That is 5 units. So what you need to do, see, I have given all these things. You need to find sin theta, already sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta. For this already secant theta here, you need to find cot theta. So first of all, you calculate this. So inverse of this will give, see, if you get sin theta, so 1 by sin theta you will get cosecant theta. If you get tan theta, 1 by tan theta you will get cot theta. So this will be a homework. So continue here. So please note this down. Next, sixth question. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Already I have solved such questions in the introductory part, and even I have given 2 methods. So one which is given in the book and other alternate method, which was very much easy. So whichever is convenient for you, you can apply that method and you can get it solved. Okay. Now, seventh question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, we need to evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and cot square theta. See, what is given to us? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, suppose this is the theta. Okay, if this is 90 degree. So what is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? This is 7 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, right? So now we got AB is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to adjacent by opposite, right? BC is equal to 8. Now we need to find AC. So to find other ratios, AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, which is equal to, so what is AB square? That is 7 square plus 8 square, right? What is 7 square? 7 square is nothing but 49. What is 8 square? This is nothing but 64. 49 plus 64. 9 plus 4. 13 carry 1. 7 plus 4, 11. That is 113. Now what we need to do? We need to find other ratios. See, this first one, we'll consider this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, fine. So 1 plus sin theta. So sin theta, what is sin theta here? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is 8 by root of 113. Root of 113. Next, 1 minus 8 by root of 113. Fine. Next, divided by 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 7 by root of 113. 1 minus 7 by root of 113. Now I will continue here, which is equal to 1 plus 8 by root 113 means 113 plus 8 divided by 113. Why? Because root of 113 will be the LCM. So nothing is there means once if you take an LCM means here you will get root of 113 plus 8 divided by root of 113, that is basics of LCM. So next here you will get 113 root of 113 minus 8 divided by root of 113 divided by what you will get, root of 113 plus 7 divided by root of 113. Fine. Next, root of 113 minus 7 divided by root of 113. Now I will continue here. So what we are going to get, see, if you multiply root of 113 whole square is nothing but 113. Next, root of 113 into root of 113 is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is 113 minus 64 divided by what you are going to get, 113 minus 7 square is nothing but 49 divided by 113. This will get cancelled. 113 minus 64. So 30 minus 4 is nothing but 9. 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. 49 divided by 13 minus 9 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 49 divided by 64 is the answer for this. Next, you need to evaluate. Please note this down, then I will go to that part. Cot square theta. Next, cot square theta, second one. So cot square theta is nothing but, see, what is cot theta? Adjacent by opposite. Then what is adjacent here? AB. AB is 7 divided by opposite is 8. 7 by 8 whole square, that is 49 divided by 64. So what does it convey? See, this is over. So this answer is equal to this answer. So one thing we can write, see, later you are going to get identities. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Cos square theta by sin square theta is nothing but cot square theta. You are going to get this value. So in the later part, in the later stage, you are going to study that. So that is 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but cos square theta by sin square theta, which is nothing but cot square theta. You are going to study that in the later part of this chapter. Okay, please note this down.